Hi, I'm Dr. Aniruddha from Toothpicks Dental Healthcare, and in today's video, I'd like to talk about the parents' role in children's oral health and dental hygiene. So basically, there is always conception of how parents' attitude towards dental treatment or dentistry dictates how the children's oral health is basically. So if the parent is aware of oral hygiene and oral health, then obviously the child's oral health condition can be better because the parents are taking care of the oral hygiene. And if there is no dental education to the parent, or if the health awareness of parent is low, then what is going to happen? Obviously, the child is going to develop dental issues because parents probably would be giving food and other things which are going to cause more problem to the teeth and oral hygiene. And also, there's a lot of factors of pampering children with chocolates or bribing children with chocolates, with refined sugar juices and acidic juices, Coke, Pepsi, and any sticky kind of food. Of course, children love it. I mean, I'm not saying that they should never have these kind of food, but there should be a restriction. There should be a limitation to what we allow our children to do. Uh, Also, sometimes parents don't follow oral hygiene practices. So, generally, if you don't practice it well, if you don't brush twice daily, or if you don't keep your teeth clean, if your teeth doesn't look good, if you are a smoker, if you're a pan chewer, if you eat a lot of junk food at home, then obviously children are not going to say no to all these things because they would love to have all of that because you're having it, right? So what can you do about this? You have to take responsibility of your children's oral health. It is extremely important that you understand why oral health is important. With the advancement in science, we know a lot of things about oral health these days. There are a lot of information available, and you need to go to a dentist and get your children's teeth evaluated as soon as the first teeth erupt in the child's mouth. Generally, most of the time, schools send you a diary where you have to get a signature from your dentist and your medical practitioner to get to send it back to school. Don't wait just for that. Make sure that your oral hygiene practices for your children are good, and you have a regular visit to a dentist so that the child also doesn't have a fear of dentist, because generally most of the time the parents have a tendency to create fear in children by saying, I'll take you to a doctor, he's going to give you an injection, he's going to the injection is going to hurt. Don't create that kind of an atmosphere, because that's not going to help a child to maintain his or her health better, because this is going to make treating a child even more difficult. And negative reinforcement should be in terms of not buying chocolates for children, not buying junk food for children. You control on those factors. Maybe sticky food, avoid sticky food, and things like that, or cut down on their screen time, etc., if they don't maintain their oral hygiene well. uh, Other than that, you will have to practice good oral hygiene habits. If you practice good oral hygiene habits, they're going to practice good oral hygiene habits. Make it a very religious, very important thing in family, that all of you brush your teeth well, and have a competition between each other as to who has brushed their teeth well, who has less caries in the mouth, who has less decay in the mouth. And these kind of things will reward in a long run, because when if a child is phobic to dental treatment at a very young age, this is going to be in their mind for a very long time, and they may neglect their oral health, and this may affect their general health as well in a long run. There may be a situation where a child is not able to eat proper food, or may not be able to get proper nutrition because the teeth are not in a good condition, or the speech may be altered because the teeth eruption is in a very bad shape, or the overall hygiene and overall health of the child may not be good. So as they grow, they are going to have a lot of problem. They're going to face a lot of problems. So therefore, I request all the parents to take responsibility about your children's oral health. Give importance to children's oral health. Visit a dentist to make sure that your children's oral health is in a very good condition, and make sure understand what can be done, understand what is there inside children's mouth, understand how to get it cleaned, what to do and what kind of food is safe for the child, and make sure the child drinks a lot of water. Make sure that there is no decay inside children's mouth. So when you get to know about what are the preventive methods that are available to prevent decay or oral health problems, then obviously the health of the child is going to improve drastically. Let the child enjoy visiting a dentist rather than being scared. So I request all the parents to take up the responsibility of making sure that your child has no dental problem at all. Thank you.